Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another episode in bWAPP series. In today's video, we are going to continue our exploration of XSS or cross-site scripting attack, but with different context. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So then, let's head over to Linux VM to start. Let's log in to bWAPP and select the bug, what we are going to do in this video. Yes, custom header. So I think this bug must have something to do with request header or response header. Okay, and here it's saying some web clients use custom HTTP request headers. Content of our bWAPP header and column, but nothing is here. I think we have to check its source code. So now let me go to bbox, and this is the source code, the key part of the source code. Here is, for loop, and we'll, get all headers, but only if the name is equal to bWAPP, and then we'll echo or print out. Okay, so I think it's pretty much clear. We should put bWAPP into request header, and we must use the same string. The normal B uppercase W, uppercase A, uppercase P, uppercase P. Otherwise, this if statement will not come true. Okay, so very clear. Let me go back to Linux VM, and I've already opened up Burp Suite. So now let's turn on intercept option. But for this, yes, we got this request automatically, and we can send this request to repeater module. Here, I think we can add one more key pair. Okay, so the bWAPP, and we can put the value as like a JSON and add it. So, a new key value pair has been put into request header, and send the request to see what we can get or found. Oh, I think, sorry, we need to forward this request and refresh this page one more time, and let me send this request to repeater, and yes. So now bWAPP and the JSON or anything, and we can send it. Yes, and you can check its source code, or we can render the response. Yeah, this time, our appended value has been displayed on the page. So this means we can manipulate or we can generate custom header. Okay, so of course we cannot stop here. We need to go further. We try to, for example, we can try to put some malicious payloads such as JavaScript code. Okay, let me go back to proxy and forward it, and then we can refresh this page, and we can, for example, we can put bWAPP and the value like a script, and alert, 10. Okay, add it. So now we can forward. So let me go back. Yes, our JavaScript code has been executed as we expect. Okay, so with that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day. Peace.